Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a video from a bunch of photos you've collected or saved in your computer or phone. To begin, click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com. Download the installer to your computer, open the file, and then follow the installation instructions. Open the software and click Create a Montage in Easy Mode. Here you can add your photos or even folders of photos. Click Next when you're done. Here you have the option to add music to your photo video. Add your own music by dragging your file to this space or just by clicking it, or by choosing from a wide variety of choices on the left pane. You can also leave everything as is if you don't like to add music. Click Next when you're done. You can edit the video duration by sliding it to shorter or longer. Click Fit to Music Length to make the photos automatically fit the length of the song. You can also adjust the volume balance here below. When done, click Next. You can export the video as is or click Continue Editing to access the full features of the software. You can add transitions by clicking this window. You also have the option to add texts by clicking the Titles button here. There you have it. Making a video from photos is easy with my favorite video editing software. Click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com and get started. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, leave your comments or any questions below, and click subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Good luck!